Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an incredible discovery from the Jurassic era. Meet Cambelodon torreensis, a newly discovered mammalian fossil that is rewriting the history of early mammalian evolution. Imagine a world dominated by colossal dinosaurs, a time when mammals were just beginning to emerge. The Late Jurassic, a period stretching back over 145 million years, was a pivotal time in Earth's history. It was during this time that a fascinating group of mammals known as Multituberculates thrived. These small rodent-like creatures, now extinct, played a crucial role in shaping the course of mammalian evolution. And today, we unravel the secrets of one such multituberculate, a creature whose fossilized remains have emerged from the depths of time to challenge our understanding of the past. The story of Cambelodon torreensis begins in the heart of Portugal, in the fossil-rich Lourinhã Formation. Here, paleontologists unearthed a remarkable specimen, a nearly complete skull, exquisitely preserved by the unforgiving hand of time. This skull, measuring a mere 5 centimeters in length, belonged to a creature that lived approximately 150 million years ago. One of the most striking features of Cambelodon torreensis is its dentition, specifically its unique tooth replacement pattern. Unlike most mammals, where teeth erupt in a predictable sequence, Cambelodon torreensis exhibits a non-sequential pattern. This unusual characteristic has puzzled paleontologists, offering a glimpse into the diverse range of dental adaptations that existed in these early mammals. Some scientists speculate that it may be related to its diet, or perhaps an adaptation to the specific environmental pressures of its time. The study of fossilized teeth provides invaluable insights into the lives of extinct animals. By analyzing tooth wear patterns, scientists can deduce an animal's diet, while tooth morphology offers clues about its lifestyle and evolutionary relationships. In the case of Cambelodon torreensis, its unique dental configuration sets it apart from other contemporary multituberculates. The discovery of Cambelodon torreensis with its non-sequential tooth replacement pattern has added a new layer of complexity to our understanding of multituberculate evolution. It highlights the remarkable diversity that existed within this group and challenges our preconceived notions about the dental evolution of early mammals. Moving beyond the intriguing tooth replacement pattern, the dental characteristics of Cambelodon torreensis present a captivating puzzle. The specimen boasts large triangular lobes on its molars, a characteristic not commonly observed in other members of its family. These lobes suggest a specialized diet, perhaps adapted to processing specific types of vegetation present in its Jurassic ecosystem. Adding to its distinctiveness, Cambelodon torreensis exhibits 5 projections, or cusps, on both its P3 and P4 teeth. These cusps are crucial for grinding and crushing food, providing vital clues about the animal's dietary preferences. The presence of 9 basal cusps on the P4 tooth further amplifies the uniqueness of this species. This was not a generalist feeder, but a specialist, its teeth meticulously sculpted by millions of years of evolution to exploit a particular niche in its environment. Imagine this small mammal, dwarfed by the giants of its time, meticulously nibbling on tough vegetation, its specialized teeth working in perfect harmony to break down its food. The significance of these dental characteristics extends far beyond simply understanding the diet of a single species. They provide a window into the ecological pressures present during the Late Jurassic, hinting at the diversity of plant life and the intricate relationships between predator and prey that define this era. The large triangular lobes on the molars of Cambelodon torreensis suggest a diet rich in tough, fibrous plant material. This adaptation indicates a departure from the more generalized diets of other multituberculates. By studying these subtle variations in tooth morphology, paleontologists can trace the evolutionary relationships between different species. The distinct dental characteristics of Cambelodon torreensis serve as a powerful reminder that even the smallest details can reveal profound insights into the past. Chapter 3. The discovery of Cambelodon torreensis has sent ripples through the world of paleontology, not just for its unique morphology, but for its profound evolutionary significance. This single fossil has provided invaluable insights into the evolutionary pressures and developmental biology of early mammals, particularly the enigmatic multituberculates. The Late Jurassic was a time of great upheaval and change, with dinosaurs reigning supreme and mammals just beginning to carve their own evolutionary path. Amidst this backdrop of giants, multituberculates like Cambelodon torreensis were undergoing their own evolutionary odyssey. The unique dental adaptations observed in Cambelodon torreensis underscore the remarkable adaptive flexibility of multituberculates. These adaptations highlight their ability to exploit a wide range of ecological niches, allowing them to thrive alongside dinosaurs and other vertebrates. Furthermore, the discovery of Cambelodon torreensis provides crucial information about the diversification and geographical distribution of early mammals. Its presence in the Iberian Peninsula during the Late Jurassic expands the known range of multituberculates. This finding challenges existing assumptions about the biogeography of early mammals and highlights the need for further exploration and research. The evolutionary significance of Cambelodon torreensis extends beyond its physical characteristics. Its discovery sheds light on the ecological dynamics of the Late Jurassic, providing clues about the types of plants that existed, the herbivores that consumed them, and the predators that lurked in the shadows. The evolutionary journey of Cambelodon torreensis is a testament to the power of natural selection to shape life in remarkable ways. Chapter 4. The discovery of Cambelodon torreensis carries profound implications for our understanding of mammalian evolution. This fossil extends the temporal range of pinheirodontids into the Tithonian age of the Late Jurassic. It reshapes our understanding of multituberculate evolution, pushing back their presence in this region. The presence of Cambelodon torreensis challenges previous assumptions about multituberculate dispersal. It suggests a wider geographic distribution earlier than thought. This discovery prompts scientists to reevaluate existing hypotheses. The Lourinhã Formation highlights the importance of continued paleontological exploration. This site has yielded invaluable insights into late Jurassic life. Cambelodon torreensis underscores the potential for further discoveries. Chapter 5. The unveiling of Cambelodon torreensis is not an end, but rather a thrilling beginning, sparking a wave of new research directions. Paleontologists, energized by this discovery, are already charting new courses of investigation. One promising avenue lies in conducting a comprehensive review of the Pinheirodontidae family, the group to which Cambelodon torreensis belongs. A detailed analysis of existing fossil material, coupled with the search for new specimens, could reveal previously unrecognized relationships between different species. Furthermore, the Ulsa Quarry, the site where Cambelodon torreensis was unearthed, holds immense potential for future discoveries. This fossil-rich location has already yielded a remarkable array of specimens, and paleontologists believe that numerous unidentified fossils remain hidden within its layers. Systematic excavation and analysis of these fossils could unearth additional remains of Cambelodon torreensis, providing a more complete picture of its anatomy and lifestyle. Beyond the quest for more complete skeletal remains, future research will likely focus on analyzing the microscopic details of Cambelodon torreensis's teeth. By studying the wear patterns on the enamel and examining the internal structure of the teeth, scientists can glean invaluable insights into its diet and feeding mechanics. The discovery of Cambelodon torreensis has also opened up new avenues for investigating the paleobiogeography of multituberculates. By comparing the anatomical features and geographic distribution of different species, researchers can trace their dispersal patterns across ancient continents. This research could shed light on the factors that influence the evolution and diversification of early mammals. The discovery of Cambelodon torreensis has injected renewed vigor into the field of paleomammalogy, inspiring a new generation of scientists to explore the origins and evolution of mammals. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. If you enjoyed learning about Cambelodon torreensis and its significance, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating discoveries from the world of paleontology. The discovery of Cambelodon torreensis stands as a testament to the power of paleontology to transport us millions of years back in time. It reminds us that our planet's history is a rich tapestry woven from countless threads of life, each species playing a vital role in the grand scheme of things. As we continue to explore the fossil record, we can look forward to even more astonishing discoveries that challenge our understanding of the past and inspire us to learn more about the incredible history of life on Earth.